What's up guys, we're here. So in the previous video, I showed you how to secure your spare tire. Now I'll be showing you how to secure your center wheel cap. Because I've been seeing a lot of posts in the Toyota Hilux Conquest Philippines group that their center wheel cap got stolen. Because they could just easily pry that off, just insert a flathead screwdriver here on all three sides and it easily comes off. And goodbye center wheel caps. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to secure those using these locks that I bought from Shopee. Alright, so let's get started with it. I'll be showing you how to install these locks or center cap locks. Alright, so the first thing to do is of course remove your center wheel cap. So to do that, just grab your flathead screwdriver from your tools and a rug so that when we're trying to pry it off, we'll have our wheels protected from scratches. So if you don't see any flathead screwdriver from your tool, just grab the Phillips screwdriver, pull that out and flip it and you'll have your flathead screwdriver. So on the wheel cap, there will be a hole, 3 holes here. Just insert the flathead screwdriver there and pry it off. So I'll be doing it like this to protect the wheels from scratches and just pry it off. Just like that. And see, that's how easily it is to take it off and get stolen. So once it's removed, it's time to install our center cap locks. So for this one, I just bought this on Shopee, but unfortunately, I think it only really fits on the Toyota Fortuner LTD. So for the Toyota Hilux Conquest, you need to do some modifications because the original form, this one, could cause some cracks on your center wheel cap, specifically on this part. Let me try to focus on that part. Where is that? This one is the fixed part. This one, on the center part, you can see there's like a crack there. I just already put some mighty bond there to join them together again. But yeah, the original form or the stock one will cause a damage, a crack, if you tighten down your lug nuts. So you have to modify the center cap locks. So this one are the modified. If you could look closely, the bend is much higher. This one is much longer compared to the original, which is a shorter one. So this one will not cause any more cracks if you tighten down the lug nut. So you have to modify yours, make the bend higher in order for it to not cause some cracks on your center wheel cap. So yeah, it doesn't really fit well, but I decided to go with this one because I cannot see any seller in Shopee or Lazada that exactly sells center cap locks for the Toyota Hilux center wheel cap. So at least 2 will do enough for each center wheel cap. That will already secure your center wheel cap. So yeah, I cannot show you how to properly bend this because first of all, I don't have the proper tools, so I'm just doing or being resourceful and doing some eyeballing to bend this metal sheet so that it will fit the center wheel caps. So yeah, you got to be resourceful on this one. Like what I'm currently doing here, I'm just making sure or making use of whatever I could to bend this stuff. So it will take a lot of time, like a trial and error, but basically what you're aiming to do is to make the bend much higher so that when you tighten the lug nut, it doesn't force or doesn't pull your center wheel cap and cause a crack in the middle. I mean on this part. This one. Yep, that one. So yeah, that's the basic idea. Just make the bend higher, just like this one. I've already tested this one and it doesn't cause any damages. So once you're done bending this thing or modifying this thing, just slip it through the hole like that. And you're pretty much good to go and install it on your wheels. So of course you're gonna remove the lug nuts that aligns with the holes. So for example, this one, you're just gonna remove it. So for this case, I've already loosened it. You just take this off. Just like that. And of course, you're gonna take off the other lug nuts that aligns with that hole. So yeah, once you have removed your lug nuts, just make sure to properly place your center wheel cap locks. Make sure that they're properly seated in the lug nut holes. And once they're all good, just push your center wheel cap until you hear it lock, just like that one. So yeah, once you've put your wheel cap back on, and the rest will be just pretty much straightforward, just put back the lug nuts and make sure to tighten them properly. So we're basically done with the center wheel cap lock installation for the Toyota Hilux Conquest. If you want to buy that product and do the modifications for yourself, there will be a link down in the description. But if someone already found a perfect fit for the Toyota Hilux Conquest, please comment the link down there so that it will be a big help for the other Toyota Hilux Conquest who are looking for a center wheel cap lock as well. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because we'll be having more videos in the future. So guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next vid. Alright.